Papunta ng Pisa. Yan, oh. Ay, ang ganda nito. Taas ng araw, pero ang lamig. Pa rin. Makikita ko na ba? Hindi pa rin. Asan siya? Reveal yourself. Nanginginig na ako eh. Kita mo yung pagbilang ko. Yeah. Grabe naman ng artwork na ito. Look, we're here in Pisa, Italy. Nagiging British eh.
So that's our first floor. 哎，先过来一下。哎呀，先跟着走啊，照片还可以慢慢拍。It's like 700 years already. Okay, it wasn't really finished. So listen carefully because I want you to be careful of a couple of things. 我要你们小心几样东西。这个是一个洗礼堂，洗礼堂的后面那条原路走出去，就是走出去我们的集合点。
Oh my
You walk
God, I
out
can see my
after
finger.
this baptistry, same way
What?
back, go through.